Open. Open.
Dom, what's in there? What is that, Dom? What is it?
Elmo.
Is that Elmo?
Show Elmo.
You can give Elmo a big hug?
You want him on?
You gonna wear him, your backpack?
He's like a backpack.
There's something else in there.
Put your arms in.
Oh, is that in here?
No, it's in the bag.
Oh, right.
Put your arms on. It's the backpack, Dom.
Backpack.
Elmo.
Yeah. Here. Oh, I don't think he turns on.
Casper, come.
You wear him though.
You put him on like your tiger backpack, Dom.
Yeah.
You just gonna give Elmo a big hug tonight?
Casper.
Is there
It's
more?
mine?
There's more in there, Dom. Can you open up the bag? There's more. Okay, we're gonna open that up. You wanna finish what else is in the bag? Mom, you wanna help open the
Yeah.
bag?
Here, Dominic. What's in here? There's something else. Take it out. Elmo again.
Casper.
Wow.
What is that, Dom? Is that an Elmo shirt?
It's a shirt. Oh, no. That's what it looks like. Elmo. Look at that. Ooh.
It's an Elmo shirt.
No. He likes the backpack. Elmo.
Do you like Elmo, Dom? Dad's by himself at the
Yeah,
table.
let's get this bag away. Let's put it in the trash.
Dom, you gonna give Elmo a big hug? Oh, did you say thank you, Auntie Net? Thank you, Uncle Brad? Say I love you. It is Elmo.
Yeah.
Are you gonna go to sleep with Elmo tonight? Okay.